Assalamu alaikum. Make your presentation fantastic with these types of slides. Just see the magic. Is not it interesting? If yes, then today we will learn how to make this type of video in just 5 minutes. First of all, go to the insert, go to the new slide and just select the blank slide like that. After that, go to the again insert and go to the shapes, and there are different shapes. Then select this type of shape and draw the rectangle on your screen like that. After that, there is an option shape fill. Go to the shape fill and just put it black. Now again go to the inserts, go to the shapes and select another rectangle and make this rectangle like that. Set this rectangle and just fill these spaces like that. Okay. After that, we have to select again inserts, go on the shapes and go this shape, which is rectangle rounded corners. Go this shape and draw this here. Something like that. As my first name is Mary Girl, so select this, go to insert and go to text box and simply insert Mary Curie. Okay. After that, definitely select your text and increase its size and make it bold according to your choice. I hereby select its 36 Arial black and make it bold. Now what we have to do next? Simply insert, go on the text box, again text box. Here the text box will be appear. So add remaining name. As my next name is Rosa Park and Malala Yousafzai and so on. So insert Rosa Park like that and simply set it here. Now I just make it copy, select, copy and paste, and the next text box will be here, and put your next name which is your requirement. My requirement is that, so I will put it, drag it again, control plus V because we already copied this box, and the last one is Great Thunberg. So after that, select these texts together, mean with control and click that text and select this text together and change its color, and change its color with dully gray so that it can't be show when the one option will be selected. After that, simply duplicate the slides. Okay, mean control plus D, it will duplicate your slide, and you can select and duplicate. After duplication, now we have to click the Rosa Park. Simply this, change this over to here, and the Rosa Park text will be here, and change this text with Mary Queer and this text with Rosa Park. Okay. And now, not only this, select this and we have to fill the color. So first of all, fill this color. Shape fill. Go. Select red color. Select that. Shape fill. Select also red color or which color you want to select. Now go here, shapes outline and select no outline. Look, it is your second slide. Again for this slide, select this box, shape outline and select here no outline so that it can look same. So in the same sense, make your all slides like that, which I already created. Then add your text according to your choice, like manicure, picture, and your text. Similarly, I created 4 slides and put my text. You can put your text according to your choice. After that, these are my 4 slides. Select first one, select second one, select fourth one, and select third one and fourth one with the help of Control plus Select. With the help of Control plus Select. Go to the transition and simply select the morph transition. Okay, and now you can see the magic as I already showed you earlier. Slideshow from current slide. If you want to see more tutorials of the PowerPoint, then must see the link in the description. Thanks for watching.